Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at VRX here, which has been the talk of most media outlets in the financial space. We can see here that the drop from about 250, 260 all the way to the current lows here in the higher 70s continues to bleed the stock lower. A couple of observations is take a look at how the stock made a high. You can see a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. So that's the classic head and shoulders formation when the stock finally hit a high here of about 270 and finally would drop lower. And for my money, the biggest sell signal actually comes a little bit later. Now this is now a 5-year weekly chart, and you can see that the stock really began to slide when the monthly RSI jumped to fresh 3-year lows. So you can see here this move to fresh 3-year lows, let's call it at about $180, $170. Once it broke through that, we can see that the stock has been on a steep slide, and that confirmation here in the last couple of months also coincided with the MACD moving to fresh 3-year lows, another major sell signal there, and also the MACD moving below zero for the first time in many years. So I think that was, to me, the biggest sell signal. Now the one thing we can also see that in the current market, the stock should continue struggling as long as it is holding below 30.90 on its weekly RSI. So you can see here this should continue to put some downside pressure on the stock, because as it stays below 30.90, the risk is for lower prices. Take a look also at the daily. It also continues to trade below 30.90, which is just a sign of a stock that could easily get in further trouble. So staying below 30.90 on the dailies and on the weeklies is not a good idea, and we can see evidence of this clearly if we take a look at GAP or GPS, the ticker symbol. Ever since it moved below 30.90 here in August at a price of about $34, $33, it has stayed below 30.90 on its weekly RSI, which might explain the recent slide from mid-30s to the current lows in the mid-20s. So as long as the RSI is below 30.90 on your dailies, weeklies, or monthlies, that just means high odds for lower prices. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings. I am out. Woo! E-A-C-S. And so it is. Mwah.